Let's get it.
Let's get
Bro, I
it.
feel like after a while, it stops getting scary.
Oh
I'm
no.
starting to get scared.
Don't worry about it. I
Yeah,
got
nah.
you. Keep-
You changed the map again?
Well, yeah. Next
Random
map will
location.
be.
I wish we did the same. We would have beat it if we did the same.
Oh,
That's
yes.
good. That's good. Oh, this
I
shit
can't
about
wait for
scary
this
as
map.
hell.
I
St.
can't wait.
John's Hospital, bro. I
Why?
donated to St.
Why?
John's.
Bro, that's where whoa, I can't talk.
Albanian.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. My
Ready?
Albanian mind got to me. Yeah. I was born at John's Hospital.
John's Hospital.
John
Yeah.
I'm
Proctor.
going to Beth Israel.
Really?
Beth Israel gang.
I was born in Bed-Stuy.
That ass.
I was born in a farm in Albania.
No, I was not born.
I was born
That's
from
not even a
blue.
hospital.
I was born in the F train. The Lancey.
I was born in wait, what's that place called? Faddle Town.
I don't. Are we ready?
Yeah, ready up.
Oh, my bad.
How you ready up?
Just
Pick your characters and
press.
stuff. Oh, well, you're already ready. 17, so.
Stop pressing the button, you motherfucker. I hear your controller.
Butthole.
Ready
The
up,
goddamn
Timothy.
thing.
I'm pressing ready and it's not saying shit.
Cause Nate has to ready up. Jesus Christ.
I did ready up.
I hate you so much.
I
We're
ready
good.
up.
We're good.
You guys are in for a treat.
Why would you do
I
that?
hate you.
Why
I
would you do that?
literally hate you.
And get
I
these
literally
old
hate you.
riding ass with that too. Alright, I
Yo,
finished.
He tried to do it.
the thing popped up, but then the thing was like, hell no. You guys are in for a treat.
Oh my god.
I'm about to die.
Trying
Don't
to,
worry, I just
Trying to-
changed the skin on him. It's the same guy. It's the same demon guy.
No, it's not. He's lying. Wait, am I the black guy here?
Oh,
I ain't got, I got money, but I ain't got that much money.
Alright. Let's go.
Yeah, we're going.
Alright.
Oh,
we
I
had
played this
bro,
guy
y'all
before.
left me already. Y'all left me already.
Oh, let's get back. Wait.
Right here.
How you gonna do it? Oh my god, why? Why?
What?
Why?
Where?
Who is that? Is that a?
Oh, yo, behind you, the bullet. You know, whoever. Behind you, whoever just screamed, behind you.
Bro, that's me, bro. What you mean
Bro.
behind me?
We
Stop
straight
screaming.
We left you.
No, nigga.
Bro, I hear Garland.
Blood people.
Adrian Pierce.
Bro, he's right behind me. I hit it. I smell his musty ass.
I thought that was a. That looked like a girl, bro.
I don't know how
she.
to wash his butt crack.
See?
That motherfucker
Alright,
had
where are
bushy
you guys?
teeth.
Where are you guys?
In the hospital.
Stop
So
screaming.
I'm doing for Nate.
We'll run into him, bro.
And our mission is
Bro.
to find Nate right now.
Nate
Okay,
scream?
oh,
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're safe. We are safe.
Alright, suck my balls. How about that?
I will
Nate,
not.
press Y. Actually, don't
You
press
ever-
Y.
I
Actually, press
what?
Y, press Y, press Y.
No, cause he.
I
Just do
just
it.
pressed what? He's already behind me. It can't really get much worse except for dying.
Well, she could have
pressed
lost
Y.
you, bro, and then you yelling could have brought her back.
He's straight gone. Nate straight gone. I feel like
Whoa.
we went two completely different directions.
Okay, you shout, since he was near me.
I hear a tape.
Okay, you shout. Somebody shout.
I just
We did
I just
already,
did.
and I just hear
Oh,
something
you
get
far
closer.
as hell. I didn't even hear it. Okay, what does it look like
I
where you
hear
guys
it
are?
Yo, where the hell is the tape?
I hear it too. Now I hear it.
Over here.
Yeah, I hear it.
Over
I'm
here.
scared. You guys,
Stop saying over here.
Okay, we're good. The tape right here.
No, give me
Oh.
that. Oh.
Bro, there's a downstairs.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
we're
bro.
going downstairs.
Wait.
Nigga, no. At least try to find me, cause he's on my ass.
Alright,
Okay.
let's go back
Alright,
up.
we need to go
back
back
up.
up. Yeah, we gotta go back up. Alright, I'm about to start one more time for you, alright?
Alright.
Can I get a higher?
But count down so I know when to look around.
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Yeah, Nate.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
I didn't hear a thing from him.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna shout. Okay, I'm gonna shout.
Wait,
Okay.
wait. Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet.
3, 2,
2.
1.
Okay, I heard it from your
Yeah.
TV.
Yo, I
TV.
hear a thing. Oh, we're going back downstairs, bro.
I gotta go back that way.
Alright, it's fine. Leave me.
Now we're going back up. We're going back up.
Alright, Nate.
Wait, we'll probably end up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm in like. Okay, I'm in the. Oh, fuck out of here. I'm getting out of here. Never mind.
It's cough.
I'm in a
I
space
think
where there's a whole
the
bunch
guys
of blood and there's
So
a
do you see
table.
it? Do you see it?
See what?
I heard tape. I think the guy is just friendly. I think maybe he just wants to talk.
Shut up. Do you see where we are?
I see it. I see it. I see
Oh,
it.
okay,
No,
don't-
let me get that. Let me get that. I hate you so much. I hate you
downstairs.
so much.
Downstairs, alright, we're going downstairs. with you.
Shout.
We're going downstairs. Hold up, bro. Hold up.
Hold
Wait a
on.
minute, Mr. Postman.
Shout.
Count down.
Alright, 3.
I just shouted.
Shit.
Fucking scared.
I heard that. Do it again.
Alright, we're not. Okay, I'm on the. Alright, never
I hear
mind.
another one. Bro, we carrying with the tapes, Nate. Get the tape.
Bitch, I'm trying to survive and you guys look.
He's
Oh,
distracting her.
Found another tape.
Yeah, fact.
You want it? Take it.
Trying to get some XP on this, babe.
You trying to turn around?
Nah,
I don't know what I'm trying
take
to
it.
do.
Alright, so I'm in a room and like the floor is ripped up.
Okay.
It's okay, so I'm like in a basement.
Bro, it looks like
Yeah.
there's bugs on my screen.
I know, yeah. I hate this. Like,
Bro, I thought it was a bug.
Oh, remember that? I remember that show. Like,
Oh my goodness, this
did
is
you hear
scary.
a scream, my guy? I heard another.
I hear a tape.
Sure. Yeah, we already take 2. Okay, we're in the library.
Hell no, bro. We gotta get this shit quickly.
Oh my gosh.
Don't look around. Keep going. Forward.
I don't see it. Where
It's gonna be on one
here's
of the
tape,
shelves.
I can't
gonna be
fucking
one-
find it.
Wait, shh.
Nate, did you go in the library? Oh, I think I found it. Behind you.
Getting closer to it.
Where?
I
Did
found it.
Did you see it?
Just take it. Oh, Nate got one.
Right here. I found it.
Take
it, bro.
Just take it.
Don't wait
come
for
with
us.
me. No,
Oh,
no,
you
I'm,
right.
I'm not going.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Just take it.
I'm
Here we go.
scared.
Three more, and we're all alive.
We're going.
Oh, I'm going upstairs.
I'm going back
I'm coming,
upstairs. Yeah, I'm going back
I'm
upstairs. Shout. Alright, no.
Okay, you heard.
You heard it.
Wait, you heard it in
Oh my
your TV? You heard it in your TV though.
Yeah,
I
we're in
didn't.
the team.
I'm about to shit myself.
That's Timothy's.
I
I
hear
heard
another.
it.
I hear another one.
Over here.
I haven't seen the guy in a while.
Wait, do
Over
I?
here.
Nah,
I know, I
you
think
hear.
that's just a game.
Wait, shush. Yeah, I hear another
Well, I
one.
gotta take a piss.
I
wait,
clicked the right
I'm about to
stick
take a piss.
to make sure I'm hearing.
Is that the water?
Oh, I did hear
Bro,
one.
this is
Bro, I
Did you
heard
hear
that
one?
shit too.
We went away from it.
Did you
that's
hear
why.
like a
It was in like the back. It was probably in the bathroom. We're in the
Oh,
bathroom
no.
now. Or like thing with flossers and crap.
Guys, dumb.
Okay, he's
We're
near
going
me.
in the wrong
Definitely I
direction.
hear it.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
fuck
it's
me,
in the bathroom or
sideways.
something. Like we passed it.
Yeah, I think we passed it.
I think I'm getting closer to you guys.
Not yet.
Hold on.
Bro, if we meet up again,
Oh shit. Oh.
it's either we
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
get scared or you're gonna get scared.
Yeah.
Yo, it's somewhere over here. I just
Probably
don't know
both gonna
where.
get scared.
Over
Shut up.
here.
You're not gonna get scared, boy.
I hear it. Has to be right here.
Yeah, it's still in here.
Imagine this.
Are you guys
in the water.
downstairs or upstairs? Upstairs or downstairs? Where are you?
I have.
Oh, there's an idol. There's an idol. We gotta go.
Behind us.
Oh, she just spawned on us.
Oh.
And screamed. Bro, she spawned on us and screamed. Nate's nearby then. Nate's nearby then. We're back.
Okay, scream.
Bro, no, I can't. I can't
No,
run
no,
out.
no, 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 no.
You want me to scream?
Scream, bro.
Yeah.
Yes,
Scream.
yes,
Yeah,
scream.
scream.
Can't hear you. Damn,
But he
bro.
has
Spawned on my
transferred onto us now.
Yeah, I literally started to talk when you guys started the game.
Bro, there are a
It
whole
was
bunch
like
of bugs. There are a whole
one
bunch of
of
bugs here.
Yeah, we're getting the bugs on our screen too.
I hear tape.
Okay, I'm in the
I hear
library.
tape
I'm
too.
in the library. I'm in the library.
Oh, you're
Come back to the
downstairs.
library. Okay, I'm coming up the
We
stairs.
don't know how to
I'm
go
coming
down there.
Yeah, just
Where?
come up the stairs.
I'm coming up
Yeah,
the
where
stairs. The
is-
ones in the library, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh wait,
You hear
there's a
tape?
wooden room right there.
You hear a tape?
Wait, I think we skipped it. I
Down
think we
front.
skipped it. Behind us, behind
Scream,
us.
Wait,
scream,
there's-
scream,
no,
scream,
that's
scream.
You want to turn around?
I see you. I'm right next to you. Stay there.
You trying to turn around?
Where?
But it's
Shut
so
up,
close.
shut up. Stay still.
Where
Yeah.
is the tape, bro? No, we
Oh.
cannot stay here.
Oh, yeah, it's in the left.
Again.
This-
He's right in front of me. I'm right next to you guys.
It's this
Where
way,
is
it's this way.
Let's scream.
On the left. It has to be in here, bro. We haven't been in here. The tape. Oh, Nate, I
Oh,
saw
I
you.
see
Nate,
I
saw
see
you.
Nate for a
Did you
second.
hear a
Where-
scream?
where-
It sounded like it
where-
was right in front of us.
Yeah, okay.
Where are you?
We need to
I
find
hear
a
it, I
place.
hear it, I
I
hear
found
it.
it, I found
We're
it,
in the
I
same
found
room.
it.
We got two left.
Oh, behind us, it's behind us, it's behind us.
Where are you?
It's behind us. I'll scream, Nate, I'll scream.
Yes, together.
Okay, I see you.
Holy shit,
Oh
this is
my
a bad
God.
area. This is a bad area.
Okay, I found a way out,
There
Right here,
you
behind
are.
you. Go back,
Go,
back,
go,
back,
go,
back.
go. What's good? What's goody?
What up, B?
Well, let's
Christ.
go.
Turn. What
Wait,
happened?
It's a fucking witch. It's a fucking witch.
No, it's not, bro. Are you dead ass?
It's a witch.
Cry, bro. I'm
It's
dead
a
ass.
witch. It's
a
a witch. It's oh my
fucking
god.
serious?
Oh my god.
The Crucible.
Screen.
The Crucible.
Salem Witch Trials.
She
Mary Proctor. John Warren.
I'm about to fuck Abigail up. I'm about to smack that bitch.
Maybe she ain't got dick, bro. Maybe
Bro, I
she
hear
ain't
it,
got
I hear it,
dick.
I hear it.
That's what she needs.
I hear it.
Bro, she popped up on my screen.
Yeah, you see that, right?
She may or may not have some snakes coming off her.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I hear it. Just keep everybody looking around this room.
Don't split up.
Oh, I saw
I
it.
see it. Bro,
Okay.
one left.
I'm left. Stay together. Someone's
Shut your
back.
dumb ass up, man. Oh
Bro,
man.
Still behind us?
I'm coughing.
Oh man.
This. Oh my god, this place is too close. Like
Oh
close.
man.
Bro, can she kill two of us at once?
Shut
I
up.
don't know.
No.
Shut up.
Okay, it has to be downstairs. So that's
What? Oh, call
Here,
it
popped
here.
up on my screen.
Top mid, bottom mid.
Top mid, bottom mid. Left the
Is this a library? No,
Wait,
turn around.
Life.
Did we get the pool one? Did we
We
get the
running
pool?
around in a fucking circle, bro.
No, we didn't. The
Where y'all
bathroom.
going? Y'all behind me, right?
Yeah.
No, what the fuck? Where are you?
This way.
Behind you.
Go.
I
Behind you.
see.
Wait, let's wait for him. Let's wait for me.
We can't stop.
He's behind me.
This way.
Where?
Which
Where?
way?
Where? It's on the stairs.
What kind of shit? Okay, follow me. You guys follow me?
Go. Yeah, I'm following.
Alright, come. I'm trying to go back up the stairs.
Bro, y'all faster than me.
What the fuck you bitch?
Bro, my light's about to
Bro,
die.
all we gotta do is just hear it, bro. All we gotta do is just hear it. Just
Yeah,
one
okay,
left.
I'm shutting off. I'm
Okay.
shutting off my switch.
Don't
Nate, just keep using
scream.
the
Why
switch.
I pressed the wrong button, bitch.
That's out.
Oh my
Oh yeah, the idols are now trees.
What the hell?
What the hell is going on?
What
It
is
was
going on?
What
right next to
the
us.
hell
I don't
is
know
going
where
on?
she is though.
Left, go left.
I went right.
Oh, we took
We're
a
right.
right.
We were right.
Bitch ass nigga.
Oh, we're gonna meet
Meet up.
I'm here.
Oh my god, now that
We
we're
tried to.
Holy crap! She caught me out. She caught me with the flash up.
You two-piece that nigga.
Oh, all we got.
she just
Nah,
needs some
let's.
dick. That's all she needs.
Oh my
god.
God.
Bitch want some dick?
Bro, we just have to walk through that thing.
Yeah, we gotta go.
my God.
We gotta go. Bro, I'm scared.
I died, bro.
No, we
I
got
died.
that. We got that.
What the fuck?
Just don't look at it.
Just down.
Wait,
Stop
died? Oh
We're
wait.
good. He passed.
Never mind.
Hello. Hello. I'm
No,
dead,
no,
bro.
go,
I'm
Nate.
right behind ya. Just keep going. Just keep going.
My battery
There's
died.
another
I
idol.
might die.
Yeah, there's another island.
My
I might
battery
die,
died,
man.
bro.
I might
My
die.
light bulb is
Well,
flashing.
Just turn around. Just turn around. Just turn around real quick.
I'm taking away the
she
idol.
can
I'm taking
stop.
away the idol.
You good.
Trayvon, you
I'm
better.
rolling.
Oh. Oh, bro, you scared the shit out of us.
You left me. He took a left.
What? Oh, you bitch ass niggas.
Oh no.
You did to me.
I'm so sorry.
Suck my ball.
Oh my god.
Scream.
Oh my
Hey.
god, you're going so far, Nate.
What? Bro.
Oh,
I'm
Bro,
gonna
Wait.
Nate.
Follow Trayvon, Nate.
Trayvon, where are you?
I'm trying to catch up.
Oh, Nani.
Trayvon, where are you?
I'm trying to catch up.
I might be dead, bro. I might be dead. She might be. I'm dead.
Oh.
She ugly as shit.
Okay, you guys are
No,
kind of near.
I don't know where I am.
Behind you.
I'm dead. We finding this,
Okay,
bro.
leave me.
We finding this.
This way.
I'm
Bro,
alright.
that's exactly where he just
So you're in
died.
the same. No, he's in the same room though. He's behind you. Nate's behind you.
I scream. That's me.
Okay.
Wait, where'd you go, Trayvon? Okay. I see two
Alright.
dead people. And where's the other alive guy?
I'm behind you.
Behind right.
Wait, I feel like we gotta go upstairs. What are y'all doing, bro? Come.
gotta walk,
This way.
weird.
Bitch, which one?
This way.
Yeah, follow. Okay, come this way.
Okay, I'm turning off my light.
Yeah, save some energy right there.
Bro, there's so many
Bro, I have
idols
mine.
on this floor.
Oh,
I hear it. You hear it?
Where?
I'm gonna go take out the idols. Follow them.
You hear
Oh
what
my
the tape?
god.
Go.
Please, you die real fast.
Go, bro.
I'm trying.
Kenzie.
Alright, come.
Kenzie.
I'm about to take it
He's
out.
gonna-
I hear it.
This way.
I think I hear it.
You hear it, right?
Wait, what? Hear what?
I'm hearing a
Tape.
tape. Can they lead them?
Yo, yeah.
I'll try
Wait,
and
hold
take
on.
out the idols nearby.
Alright. There's like 3 idols in front of
Yeah.
us. Wait, hold up.
Take-
What the
them
party?
near.
I gotta take a piss.
I see it. It's right there.
Take it out.
Bro. It's right there.
Find Tim.
I got it.
Let's go,
baby.
Let's go,
baby.
Finally.
baby. Boy, I gotta.
Let's go.
Ugly bitch.
Yeah, bro.
Get
Memory heart has been damaged.
Mankind
Mankind
is
is saved.
Okay.
Let's
For now.
get it.
I was about to shit.
Oh, I got an achievement. I got an achievement. Clean bill
Bro,
of
look how
health.
Yeah, I think I
went.
like
Look,
2.
Look. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got 2.
Look at this.
Look how
Yo.
far this. Look at this.
Yeah, you went.
I was following you guys the whole time. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Look at this
And
shit.
you-
What the hell?
That's
We were
good of us,
gone,
like,
bro.
go
We
from
left
here.
you.
Bro, I think this is where I found the library. Like right there.
But we
And then
were so
met up right
close.
there.
Bro, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, yeah, we
kept
met up.
finding tapes, so like we just gotta keep.
And then
Oh.
Trayvon like died like right around now.
Somewhere here.
Oh, I'm level 3.
Yeah, me too.
Yep.
Investigator
Oh.
mission. Yeah, and then I died.
Trayvon let me back.
And then I died.
I took
And then we
it back.
following that. And then boom.
I don't know what we were
Yeah, I
doing
know.
there. Oh, that was a game?
One night.
Well. PBM, you've managed to be one of my dear disciples. You may have gotten lucky this time, but trust me, the next time we meet, I will slaughter each and every one of you, one by one. Ta-ta for now.